guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. So if you're new to this channel, then hi, my name is Anushika and I would really appreciate it if you could take a moment and subscribe to my channel below, and also follow me on Instagram. The handle is mentioned somewhere here on the screen. So I know it's been really long since I have shot and uploaded a video on my YouTube. I have not been consistent at all, but the reason for that is firstly एग्जाम सामने आ रही है, and secondly काफ़ी कुछ और काम था, assignments and stuff. कॉलेज में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर था काफ़ी समय से, तो इसीलिए like to get up and shoot a video it has been a little impossible क्योंकि सारा दिन I'm either writing exams or doing something else for my college itself. Secondly, the second reason and the reason that I don't like about myself for the last 1 month is last 1 महीने से I've been feeling so unproductive, like इतना ज़्यादा I've never lazy, I've never felt, but I promise you guys, exam खत्म हो जाने के बाद से I'm gonna be very productive on my YouTube channel. Consistently बहुत सारे videos lined up है आप लोगों के लिए, and those are really fun and I'm sure you guys are gonna like it. But सिर्फ shoot करना बाकी है, सोच के तो काफ़ी कुछ रखा है guys. Anyways, so आज का video is going to be on skin care. आप लोगों को टाइटल देख के समझ में आ ही गया होगा. So Instagram पे मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले एक पोल डाला था that I had no idea what to shoot for YouTube. Like I told you guys, I was feeling so unproductive. मेरे दिमाग में काम कर रहा था मैं क्या वीडियो बनाऊँ. So I had asked you guys to give me suggestions, और आप में से काफ़ी लोगों ने स्किन केयर वीडियो बनाने के लिए बोला था. तो स्किन केयर वीडियो मैंने पहले 2 बना लिया है, एक समर एक विंटर स्किन केयर मॉर्निंग रूटीन. बट आज सोचा कि मैं स्किन केयर रूटीन में बनाती हूँ, बल्कि मैं एक स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट के बारे में आप लोगों के साथ रिव्यू शेयर करने वाली हूँ. तो आई होप यू गाइस आर really gonna enjoy watching this video. Let's not waste any more time and get started. I am really very excited to show you guys all the products that I'm going to talk about in this video. So without time waste here, let's get started with the video. Pilgrim had launched its new range of red wine products, and it was launched around the time of Valentine's Day, so the packaging and everything was super nice. So let's start by showing you guys the product one by one, what all I received from them, and उसके बाद मैं एक products की detail पे आऊँगी. So firstly, the thing that I absolutely loved was that they had sent the products in this beautiful bag. I guess the material is jute. So on this side it is written "Life is a journey," which I absolutely agree with. And on the opposite side is their brand name, that is Pilgrim. And Pilgrim is a very natural brand. Like all of their products are really natural and organic, and they use amazing ingredients in their product which is not at all harmful for your skin. So let's start by showing you guys one by one everything that I have in this bag. So the first product is this red wine face wash. The next product is their night gel creme, one of my absolute favorite from all of the 3 products. And the last product is a day cream which has SPF 30 in it. So the first thing that I really liked about this about Pilgrim was that they had sent their products in a really nice way, that the packaging and everything was super cool. And also the main attraction that I really liked about them was this bag, of course. So the material of this bag is firstly really very good, and also this bag is so travel friendly. So पहले हम start करते हैं by showing you guys the face wash. So this is the face wash, as you guys saw. It has red wine, vitamin C and aloe vera. So आप लोगों को पता ही होगा that vitamin C is really good for your skin. उसमें आपके skin पे एक अलग ही चमक आता है if you have products which contains vitamin C in it, which has vitamin C in it basically. So in product इस पे vitamin C है, and this face wash is for all skin types, which is really good, which is actually a bonus क्योंकि मेरे जैसे लोग are a little skeptical about using products which might not be of your skin type, then आपके लिए this product is really good. I always go to buy products now which is suitable for all skin type, because जैसा लगता है कि मेरे skin के लिए, because this तो अगर आपको ऐसा है कि if you have oily skin, if you have dry skin, anybody can use this face wash. So it has vitamin C and aloe vera is an amazing product. I am a big fan of using aloe vera gel on my face whenever, especially during the summer time when my face gets really burned and red and hot. I use aloe vera gel. It helps to calm and soothe the skin. So this does the exact same work. I have used this face wash I guess 4 or 5 times and I absolutely love it. So let's show you guys the bottle. So it comes in this beautiful bottle. You guys can probably see the packaging is very luxurious, and it has this kind of opening, and you can just pour your face wash from here. I'm not showing you guys that now, but yeah, this is the face wash. This is like the bottle of the face wash, which I absolutely like. Now let me tell you guys, the color of this face wash is so freaking beautiful. It has this nice, and it smells so divine, like, oh my god, it has a very sweet smell. And this face wash, the creams, all of them have quite a similar smell, and it just smells so nice. It has a very fruity, like a berry kind of a smell in all of these products, which is really nice. The fragrance is not strong. That is something that I like. I don't like my products having a very strong fragrance, you know. So this has a mild and a very sweet smell. So that is something I really like about it. Secondly, while using this product, just have to rinse your face once, and then take it on your palm and rub them together. You will see it's a very, very, very foamy face wash, and it deep cleanses. That is something that I really like. So it cleanses my skin from the and it just takes out all the dirt and everything that I have on my face. My face has a different glow after using this face wash. That's why I can tell you guys 100%. It does show a result after applying it. Like if you have this face, like your normal face, you wash it and then you see it, it does give a little bit of glow, which I really like, and it just brightens the face. So yeah, I really, really like this product. So this is a 100 ml bottle, and it retails for 350 rupees, which I think it's nice for a brand like Pilgrim. This product is good, and if you are the only one using it, then you can use it for around 2 to 3 months, I guess. So yeah, I really, really like it. So this is the face cream, which has SPF 30 in it, and the packaging of this one is also very luxurious. Like the container in which this cream comes, you guys, it is so freaking beautiful. So this is how the cream looks like. I hope you guys can see. So this is what the cream looks like. I absolutely love it. The smell of this is again quite similar to the face wash. Another thing that I really, really liked about this face cream is that it also has SPF 30. So SPF 30 is the amount of like sun protection that you should have in your sunscreen. So अगर आप घर से बाहर नहीं जा रहे हो, तो I guess you can just apply this cream and you don't need to apply a sunscreen on top of that. It does the work. But अगर आपको कहीं बाहर जाना हो, then you can use the sunscreen as per your needs. But this particular cream has the minimum amount of sunscreen, like SPF, that you need in your cream or on your daily routine. So I really, really like it. The smell is so soothing, and also the consistency of the cream is really good. It's like a gel based cream, and it's so lightweight on your skin. I just take a little bit of this, and it is so hydrating, and just a little bit of this cream you can apply it on your face, like the whole face. You don't need a lot of this. So this is really good. Also it just feels so cold. Like I take at मैं इसको लेके अपनी स्किन पे जैसे ही लगाती हूँ, my skin starts feeling so refreshing and cold. So that is really a plus point. I like my creams. I like creams and stuff which are a little cold and like soothing to the skin. So this contains again vitamin C, which is, I told you guys why vitamin C is good for your skin, and rose hip oil. Now a lot of people use rose hip essential oils, and as it has 50 grams of product in it, and it retails for 550 rupees. This is also for all skin type, which is again a bonus. So you really don't need to go here and there looking for a cream, which is for your skin type. Whether you have dry skin, combination skin, oily skin, you can use this cream. The last product, and my favorite one among all of this, is the Night Gel Creme. So this is the box. Let me show you guys the product. The product looks the same. It does not have any difference. The packaging, the container looks the same. So this is what the container looks like. This is again the lid, which has my heart. So let me show you guys how the product looks like. So this is again how the cream looks like, and oh my god, this again has that smell. that amazing smell that all of these three products has. Now something that I really liked about the night cream is that generally night creams that I've used before, this is one of my favorites. This is a gel based night cream, as it's written on top as well. It's a night gel cream. It's not that regular normal mattifying or different kind of a cream. It's a gel cream. Something that I really liked is the consistency of this is a little watery and a little liquidy, so it is very easy for you to like apply it all over your face and massage it thoroughly. Also, this cream is so freaking cold on the skin. I mean, when I apply it at night, I just feel so rejuvenated. My skin feels very rejuvenated and very hydrated when I wake up in the morning. So that is something that I really like. So another thing that has my attention, that has my heart, is that this particular cream has retinol. So if you guys know, that retinol is really good for treating your acne marks. So I guess that is like the biggest plus point that I found in this night cream. It has mulberry and again vitamin C. So all of their products has vitamin C, and vitamin C is very good for your skin. So generally I am a person who goes for face products which has vitamin C in it, because it just brightens your skin from within and your skin glows a healthy glow when you have products which has vitamin C. And so yeah, we purchase these products. So yes, I am thinking of getting their night cream again. The face wash and day cream is obviously good too, but the night cream has my heart, you guys. So if I have to purchase any one of these products, then I'll definitely go for the night cream to repurchase this, because it is that good. Now, second thing that has my heart is the packaging. So you can see this whole violet packaging, which is so luxurious, and it just gives a really nice feel. It has a very rich feel to it. So that is something that I really like. Third thing that I really like is the smell of this product. So the smell is a very mild and a very sweet and calm smell, and it's a very soft smell. It's not that strong smelling product. So that is something which I absolutely love. Number 4 is the consistency of the product. So the face cream is not that oily. The night cream is not a very chip on your face. Both of the creams are very soothing and very lightweight, which is something that you should go for generally. And also the face wash really cleanses your skin well. So that is something which I personally loved. So yeah, and also I forgot to tell you guys the price of the night cream. It is again a 50-gram product which retails for 650 rupees. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I hope you guys found it really helpful. If you guys want to get these products, then you can head over to their website and order, and I'm sure you guys will love it. So do let me know if you purchase anything. I would like to know if you guys. So yeah, if you guys like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video.